I'm going to show you this little journal where I collage with scrap paper portraits. I just pick a few small portraits that I make whenever I want to create, but I don't have a lot of inspiration or time. And I stick them together on the pages to see if I can find a story, and then I'll add to it with mixed media. And I just wanted to give you a little bit more inspiration. So these were 3 separate little portraits, and I brought them together with other homemade collage papers and inks and Neocolor crayons. And it's a very nice way of working. These were jelly printed. And oh, this one as well. This was just an abstract jelly print, and then I saw a little figure in there. And it's a very relaxing way to journal because you don't have the pressure of creating faces. And I know some of you feel intimidated by it. So if you can do it on a different piece of paper and then just treat it as a little puzzle, try them out and see if they work together, and then just have a little fun with your collage papers and your other art supplies. And they don't need to end up beautiful or interesting. They're just here for us to have a little bit of quality time with our journals. And it is so important to stay creative and to not get stuck inside our head. I also really like this one. These were magazine transfers that I have painted on top of. That's another way of lowering down that starter's anxiety. You already have the faces there, and you can just practice with your paint on top of them. And if you don't like a page, then you can do a whole other collage on top of that, Or you can just use one of these little portraits. And here I collaged the body with all different kinds of collage papers, and it was really fun. And here I saw a figure in just a scrap paper. I was using as a palette, I think, or something like that. Or I don't know what happened there, but I saw this dude and I put him in my journal, and I took some charcoal, and there he is. Along with other homemade collage papers. Really fun to do. So I hope that you enjoyed this inspiration,